Hey, this is James. I'll be showing you a Hello World program for Battle for Azeroth this time. So, first thing you need to do if you want to create a Hello World or just an add-on in general is find your add-on folder. So, press Windows key E, open up to full size if you aren't already. Go to local disk C. Now it's going to be in Program Files x86 usually, or Program Files 32. Once you're in one of those folders, you can check the W section to see if you see World of Warcraft. If you do, you have found the folder. Click it, then go to the Interface folder, then to add-ons. Now, if you haven't installed any add-ons, you won't see anything here. But this is the example add-on I created. So, first thing you need to do is create a talk file. This is the interface number. It reflects what version of World of Warcraft this add-on was created for. So yeah, as a Battle for Azeroth, this one will run. Then your title, this helps make it clickable and just gives it a name. A description of your add-on, which is the notes, and then the version, whatever you want this version to be. And then whatever file you want to run in your add-on, or files, you could list multiple. We're only listing one. So as for our actual program, it's really simple. It's just a message box that says hi when you open up the game. So, yeah. Now let's show you what it looks like. So in the add-ons folder, you should see whatever you called the title of your add-on. And when you hover over the name, you'll see a description underneath a little pop-up box. So yeah, if that's enabled, you're good to go. Next, you just want to enter the world with whatever character you intend to play as. I'll do this level 6 warrior I created, because why not? And there you go. That's just the beginning, but we'll get more into depth of how this works in the next few videos. Bye.